深耕澳門，服務社會，祝澳門旅遊大學30週年校慶快樂！
喺澳門旅遊大學建校30年嘅重要時刻，我謹代表旅遊局向全校師生致以最熱烈嘅祝賀。30年嚟，由旅院成為大學，澳旅大春風化雨，人才輩出，產學研成果顯著，為澳門旅遊業發展提供咗強而有力嘅人才支持。
喺澳門旅遊大學30週年校慶之際，我謹代表婦聯總會向全體師生校友致以最熱烈嘅祝賀。
We are very proud of our relationship with your university, but today I wanted to extend my sincere congratulations to everybody at Macau University of Tourism on your 30th anniversary. This is a wonderful achievement. Your quality education programs provide students with the opportunity to study abroad and experience the benefits of gaining a truly international education.
So I want to offer my congratulations to you on your 30th anniversary. This is a moment to celebrate. In 30 years, UTM has done so much in developing leadership for the industry and producing some very meaningful research and contributing to the local economy. So for the next 30 years, I'm sure UTM will continue to be more prosperous and successful. So happy anniversary, 30th anniversary.
It's my pleasure to congratulate the Macau University of Tourism on its 30th anniversary. For 3 decades, UTM has been a pioneer in hospitality and tourism education, setting the highest standards and nurturing exceptional professionals, many of whom have made remarkable contributions to Macau and the global industry.
今年咧係澳門旅遊大學咧設立30週年。喺過去嘅30年咧，旅遊大學為澳門呢座旅遊城市咧培養咗眾多嘅旅遊酒店嘅管理人才。對於澳門呢座旅遊城市咧，有一所咁高質量嘅旅遊大學咧，應該對澳門嘅旅遊文化嘅發展咧係相當重要。
多謝澳旅大為澳門成為世界旅遊有限中心、文化之都、美食之都同埋演藝之都喺呢30年以來個努力。祝澳旅大30週年校慶快樂！
過去30年咧，澳旅大係培養咗好多咧旅遊專業嘅人才嘅，咁為澳門咧發展呢個世界旅遊有限中心咧係作咗好多人才嘅準備啦。咁喺呢度咧係祝願咧澳旅大30週年校慶快樂嘅。
希望澳門旅遊大學未來繼續努力，為澳門培養更多能夠講好澳門文化遺產故事嘅精英，推動澳門繼續與世界接軌。祝澳門旅大30週年校慶快樂！
We truly admire your commitment to excellence and the positive contribution you've made on the industry and the community. We wish you and all of your students continued success, growth, and global recognition. Happy anniversary, UTM!
衷心祝願澳門旅遊大學薪火相傳，精益求精，各位教職員工作順利，同學們學業進步。澳旅大30週年校慶快樂！
UTM Happy Anniversary！
祝 UTM Happy Anniversary！
UTM Happy Anniversary！
澳旅大30週年校慶快樂！
祝願澳門旅遊大學繼往開來，再創高峰，培育更多棟樑之才。澳旅大30週年校慶快樂！
非常多謝母校嘅栽培，見到學校一步一步再創輝煌，身為校友個亦都感到非常之自豪。喺呢度祝願澳門旅遊大學30週年快樂！